In this video guide, I will instruct you about the danger of pop-ups that come from the suspicious site called Tingexpreside.top or Tingexpreside.top. I have to admit that this is a very dangerous website. It is dangerous because its main mission is to infect your browser. It targets Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other popular browsers. The pop-up actually says that you need to click Allow to close this page, or sometimes it may use other tricky messages to force you into clicking on the Allow button. For example, the pop-up may tell you that it's important for enabling some HD streaming or for age verification or for proving that you are a human or for some other reasons. Also, the pop-up is able to switch your browser into the full screen mode, and this is a very annoying experience for many people, especially for those who don't know how to get out of this full screen mode. Well, what you need to do is simply press the escape button to get out of that full screen mode. Now, I want to instruct you not to click on the Allow button, because this way your browser gets immediately hijacked. You will be forwarded to the great variety of dangerous sites. You may see strange pop-ups attacking your screen and attempting to forward you to some dangerous resources on the web. If you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you need to immediately fix the issue. Now, watch carefully as I explain how this can be done. Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Site Settings and choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the Allow area. You need to find this dangerous website and remove it from this list. You may also delete other suspicious sites that don't make any sense. Even in the block area, if you find some dangerous resources, get rid of them completely. So, to make sure that your Mac is free of any other related malware, I recommend that you perform additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the official page combocleaner.com. After the software is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to wait until the scanning is completed to see the detailed report about your Mac. The program is initially in the trial mode, however, it has got some absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicate. So you need to wait until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. At the end of scan, you may click on Review Results and you will find the location of each specific thread. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder and you may remove each thread manually, or the removal can be done automatically with the premium version of the program.